Hi everyone. Today we are going to focus on one of the topic of Python, that is data types. We have seen the concept of variables. Now what do you mean by these data types and why the data type is required and how many types of data types are there in our Python? Let's see some of the examples over here. For example, we do have all these data types like integer and the float. Age is equal to 10. We are having this variable age and we are assigning one of the value 10 to this age variable, and we are having the second variable. The name of the variable is height and we are assigning a float value. Means whole number is used for int and the decimal number is used for float. Now the second one is the string. Name is equal to Harry. For example, if you want to write your name, then you will give any variable, and inside this variable you will put any name under double quotes, the text or the characters. The string data type is there. Up to here we have seen int, float and the string. Now the third one is fourth one actually, boolean, BOOL. This is the name of the variable and we are assigning one value false, and description will be the true and the false will be there inside this boolean variable. We will see all these things practically also. Now the fifth one is the list. Means we are taking some values over here. We are having one variable. The name of the variable is portions, or you can take this variable of your choice. Then we are taking the three values inside this variable, and the sleep, fly, invisibility. Means we are having the ordered collection. But you will keep one thing in your mind, that whenever you are declaring any list, then these large brackets will be there. After that, the dictionary, DICT means dictionary. So key pair values will be there. How key pair values? Like he colon 20, fire colon 50. So we will declare, like if I am writing apple under double quotes, then colon, then 80 means apples are 80 rupees kg. We can consider like this. Then set. But in dictionary we will have our curly brackets. So how can we identify that this is the dictionary? First of all, we will be having our key value pair. From those key value pair we will identify that this is the dictionary, means we have declared it as a dictionary. And second thing, we will be having these curly brackets, and inside our list we were having our large brackets. Now come to the sets. Again curly brackets are there, but no duplicate values. That is the identification of our sets. For example, hat, wand. So no duplicates. If duplicate value is there, that will not be considered our set. No duplicates should be there. Okay. It will be considered as hat and the when. Only two things will be taken inside this set. And the last one is tuple. We are taking this variable codes and we are putting the two values inside the code, 10 and the 20. Fixed collection that can be changed, means we can change the value inside the tuple, but we cannot change the value inside the list. That we will see once we will do all these things practically. The identification of this tuple is we are taking these round brackets. Inside our round brackets we can put the things. So it's all about Python data types. We have seen all these Python data types with examples. Now let's see one more example. Let's take one more example. Int description will be, it is used for the whole numbers. Score is equal to 100. Float for decimal number. Float data type is used for decimal numbers. Whenever we are assigning any value, float value to the variable, it means it is understood that by default this is of float type. And if we are taking this string, if I am writing like greeting is equal to hello, string is for text purpose, and for example we are assigning this hello to one of the variable. Boolean true or false, as we have also seen the same example earlier. List ordered changeable means we can make changes in our list. Fruit is equal to apple and the banana. We can change if we want. For example, if I want to put something over here, we can put, means the lists are changeable. So we will see once we will do it practically. Tuple, again I told you the round brackets will be there. Ordered means we cannot make changes in the tuple. Once we are putting the elements, we cannot change. We will see it. Dictionary, key pair values, again name, a colon, Ria. Marks means the name is Ria and the Ria has scored 95 marks, so we will put these things inside this dictionary. Name of the student is dictionary, and we are taking this key value pair, sorry. And the last one is the set, unordered collection with no duplicate values. For example, inside the color red, blue and the red means if the red is repeated, the output will be red and the blue. It's all about the data types in the Python. Thanks for watching this video.